This is my mama's makeup and crochet channel.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you this new stuff that I bought from Shopee. It's a stand for cell phone and ring light for an overhead filming angle. Using this, we can shoot from the top down. It's good for tutorials for drawing, calligraphy, crochet, journaling, and the likes. It's listed on Shopee as long-armed phone holder with ring light. It's only 1,099 pesos or 22 US dollars. I will put the link down below. So here we have the stand or the ring light and cell phone holder. I already got all the items out of the original packaging because I had to disinfect and throw it away anyway. So here it's quite flexible, so that's good to know. And in this box is the ring light and all the other smaller pieces that we need to use to assemble the whole thing. This ring light is 26 centimeters in diameter, and by the way, I'm not sure if there is an instruction manual included that I have thrown away together with the pouch, but I don't have it with me. So I just looked at the picture on Shopee and it seems pretty easy to assemble anyway. So I think I will just wing it. Okay, so this right here looks like the one that connects the phone grip and the ring light. Okay, and this one is the clamp that goes to the desk, okay, or the table. And this one is the phone grip. There, the phone holder. And this guy right here is the thing that connects the long arm or the stand and the ring light. Okay, and this one is the screw that tightens the clamp. Okay, well, anyway, I will show later where it's used for. Okay, I will check out first if this ring light is working. Okay, so it says in the description that there are 3 temperature light settings. So first is white light, then soft light, and warm light. Okay, and here's the power cord. It's just a USB power cord, so I need this. This is actually my phone charger, so we need to have it plugged into a USB power plug. The brightness is also adjustable, so there are 4 brightness levels. Okay, and I will also insert a video here to show the control switch there. That's what you need to adjust the brightness levels and the temperature. So there's warm, soft, and white. Yes, so I think that's good enough. And now let's assemble this part. Okay, and let's start with the end that connects this whole thing to the table. So this is the clamp right here. Let's insert it there. Okay, and the little screw that I showed earlier. So this guy here, it goes there. So that's what we use to secure that thing right there. Well, it seems safe and sturdy enough. Okay, and this is the one that we turn to make sure that the grip is tight, okay, onto the table. Okay, so this thing goes here. Okay, so that's what I saw on the pictures on Shopee anyway. So there are only a few parts, so that's why I think it's pretty easy enough to assemble. Okay, and the phone grip goes there. Okay, and that part right there, by the way, is flexible, so you can move the phone right there into different positions. Okay, and you can lock it by tightening those screws if you have chosen the correct position that you want for the phone. So that's how it goes. I mean, that's how it looks like. Okay, and now this guy right here goes into that screw. This is the one that connects this phone stand, or I mean this stand to the ring light there. Okay, that's also, by the way, really flexible as well, so that you can change the position of the ring light if you want it facing straight down or slightly sideways. So it's up to you. That's why it's movable. Okay, so here I'm just trying to make sure that it's nice and tight. And you just have to tighten this screw right here if you have chosen a position for your ring light, so it's fixed in that placement. Okay, and let's go to this side. So let's put it here on the table, just like that. Okay, so again, this is the one that you need to turn and make sure it's safe and sturdy. Okay, so it seems that it is sturdy enough, so I think we are done here. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so you can adjust it higher. As you can see, it's still bent that way, so there you can move it lower and then higher. I think this is going to be useful for my future tutorials. This is actually the reason why I bought this anyway. Okay, so this is how it looks from up here. I already placed the phone right there, and let's see how it shoots. Well, it looks clear, and this is a good angle for a demo or tutorial. I think this is a great buy for me. It's nice for filming using just a phone. I am planning to make some tutorial videos in the future, just not right now because I am fully booked until December. I already have orders for holiday gifts, so maybe next year. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
Like if you like this video, subscribe if you love it, share if you care. Thank you for watching. Bye!